for Orlov. He had a 4-point game on April 16th, 2022 against Montreal. Now here comes Guentzel stepping in. Guentzel shoots. He scores! His first in regulation for Carolina. And the Canes pouring it on the Senators here in the third.
What a pass in transition to a streaking Jake Guentzel. I mean, Guentzel, top speed. What a pass. Cross the ice on the tape. Guentzel receives it in one motion. And last night's Jake and Bake was a deke. This, he had no option to deke it because of the stick coming back from Zub. You won't see a better shot to the far side. The release, the rise, shooting in stride. Congratulations, Jake. You're having a weekend.
Oh, is he ever.